I'm Leah from Cambridge, Massachusetts.
I'm Yosef and I'm from New York City.
My name is Matilda and I'm from Cambridge, Massachusetts.
Great Jewish Books is a program for young people to come together in a seminar format and discuss Jewish texts and Jewish authors. Every person should apply to Great Jewish Books.
We had people coming from all over the country and from just all kinds of backgrounds. So there's some from Kansas and New Mexico.
One was from South Carolina, one was from LA, one was from San Francisco, a diverse group of kids.
Great Jewish Books is a summer program. Rising juniors and seniors come together here at the Yiddish Book Center to read innovative works of modern Jewish literature and think about the questions of what it means to be a Jew in the modern world.
Great Jewish Books introduces you to a sort of niche or themes that run throughout Jewish literature. You can really feel a tie between them in a way that you don't get to do in high school and you won't get to do until you get to go to college.
I don't think I'd done such critical reading before. And I remember there was this one really great night where we had a reading due the next day. We all read it together and went over line by line and got really into it and were figuring out the symbolism and what everything meant. It was the first time I really felt excited about what I was reading.
These aren't always the stories you'd expect when you think of modern Jewish literature. You know, it's not always the shtetl or rabbis. These are Jewish gangsters or cowboys with new kinds of identities, new kinds of lives. It's exciting, strange, and often really challenging material, and that's part of what I love about it.
What we read, it sort of facilitated a discussion on the overall theme of being a Jew in America. This is The Middlesteins by Jamie Attenberg. She's a New York Times bestseller. I got it signed. We talked a lot about how to be an author and what the process behind her writing the book is.
Elon Steffens, who was a professor at Amherst, but he wrote a book about conversos in Mexico. He was really interesting because he basically sat down and all the authors' talks that we'd had before, the authors would say well, yeah, this is what my career is like, and you can ask me questions. And he just sat down and he was like, okay, so what is a book? And we were like, you're not talking to us about your book. And he was like, no, I'm not. I'm just curious about what a book is, which was kind of the first, I felt like, college level discussion that I'd really been engaged in. It just seemed like everyone was so ready to jump in and learn together, I guess.
It was a really fun week, and I got so much out of it.
I wish that it had been around when I was in high school.
Just do it, just apply.